At just 29 years old, I became a multi-millionaire using one simple, proven day trading strategy. But it wasn't luck or magic, it was a system. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact strategy step by step so you can understand it and possibly transform your life just like I did. Now before we jump into the strategy, let me quickly tell you my story. I wasn't born into wealth. I started small, just a laptop, $500 in savings, and an obsession to figure out the stock market. I made mistakes, I lost money, but I learned. Fast forward a few years and I found the strategy that turned everything around. By the time I was 29, I'd crossed the multi-million-dollar mark. Why day trading? It's simple. If done right, day trading allows you to capitalize on small moves in the market over and over again, every day. Unlike long-term investing, you don't have to wait years for results. But remember, you need discipline, focus, and the right strategy. Here's the exact strategy that worked for me. First, finding the right stocks. Look for highly volatile stocks with strong volume. I use a screener to identify stocks that have moved 3 to 5% in pre-market trading. Next, key patterns to watch. The two patterns I trade the most are breakout trades, which are stocks breaking above a key resistance level, and pullback trades, which are a stock that pulls back to a key support level after a strong move. Then, entry and exit points. My golden rule, never chase a trade. I enter when the price confirms the breakout or support hold. Set tight stop losses. I usually risk 1 to 2% per trade, and aim for a reward to risk ratio of at least 2 to 1. Finally, risk management, the game changer. Risk management is what separates the winners from the losers. I never risk more than 2% of my trading capital on any single trade. This means you can survive the losses and win big when the odds are in your favor. This strategy is simple but not easy. You need practice, discipline, and emotional control. In my first year I only made $5,000, but by sticking to the process I scaled up to consistent 5-figure months and eventually 7 figures. The key is consistency. Small, smart trades over time add up to big results. If you want me to dive deeper into any of these steps or share live trading examples, let me know in the comments below. And remember, success in day trading is about mastering one strategy, sticking to it, and trusting the process. If I can do it, so can you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more trading insights. See you in the next video. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and join my free trading group linked in the description.